Welcome to Biker's Choice. Today we're diving into the world of classic cruising with a detailed review of the Royal Enfield Meteor 350. This bike has quickly become a favorite among riders, blending retro style with modern technology. Let's explore what makes the Meteor 350 a standout choice for both new and experienced riders. Design and aesthetics. The Royal Enfield Meteor 350 boasts a timeless design that captures the essence of classic motorcycling. With its round headlamp, vintage-style fuel tank, and elegant curves, it exudes charm and nostalgia. Available in a range of striking colors and finishes, the Meteor is perfect for riders looking to make a statement. The attention to detail, including the chrome accents and classic instrument cluster, enhances its appeal, making it a true head-turner on the road. Engine and performance. At the heart of the Meteor 350 is a 349cc air-cooled, single-cylinder engine, delivering a smooth and enjoyable ride. With a peak torque of 27 Nm, it provides ample power for city commuting and highway cruising alike. The bike features a 5-speed transmission, ensuring seamless gear shifts and a responsive throttle. Riders will appreciate the Meteor's balanced handling, thanks to its lightweight frame and well-tuned suspension, making it easy to navigate through tight corners and urban traffic. Comfort and ergonomics. Comfort is a key aspect of the Meteor 350's design. The low seat height allows for easy handling, while the well-padded seat ensures long rides remain enjoyable. The upright riding position, combined with wide handlebars, provides excellent control and comfort, reducing fatigue during extended journeys. Whether you're commuting to work or embarking on a weekend adventure, the Meteor's ergonomic design keeps riders relaxed and engaged. Technology and features. Incorporating modern technology, the Meteor 350 comes equipped with a digital analog instrument cluster that offers essential information at a glance. The bike also features Royal Enfield's Tripper navigation system, providing turn-by-turn directions right on the display. This is a game-changer for riders who love exploring new routes. Additionally, the LED lighting enhances visibility and safety, ensuring you're seen on the road, day or night. Riding experience. Riding the Meteor 350 is a delightful experience. Its torque-weight engine delivers power smoothly, making acceleration effortless. The bike's suspension setup provides a comfortable ride, absorbing bumps and imperfections in the road. Whether you're cruising on the highway or navigating city streets, the Meteor feels stable and confident. The engaging exhaust note adds to the overall riding experience, making every journey enjoyable. Conclusion. In conclusion, the Royal Enfield Meteor 350 is an exceptional motorcycle that successfully combines classic aesthetics with modern performance and technology. It appeals to a wide range of riders, from beginners to seasoned enthusiasts. With its comfortable ride, stylish design, and advanced features, the Meteor 350 stands out as a top choice in the cruiser segment. Thanks for tuning in to Biker's Choice. If you enjoyed this review and want to see more motorcycle content, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for updates on our latest videos. Ride safe and see you on the road.